So hello guys, good morning. To today's video, I'm going to teach you how to uninstall programs in your laptop. So if you're having a problem that your laptop is lagging, your system is slowing down, so there must be something that uh, are in your system that should be uninstalled. So also, if there are software applications that you don't need and you want to delete that files or delete that software in your laptop, you need to uninstall that one. So today I'm going to teach you how to uninstall in your laptop. So watch out guys.
Be strong.
So in installing and uninstalling, that is important that you need to know the process. So now, to uninstall applications in your laptop, first step you need to do is you need to go to my computer or this PC. So open this one, then look for the word computer on the top left of your tab. After that one, you click that one, then just click the uninstall or change a program. So next one, here are the programs that are installed in your computer. So these are the program software that are installed in your computer. So look for those program or software that are not used or that are not necessary in your system. So look for that one. So for me, I'm going to uninstall my, here it is, PP. So I'm looking for ProShow. So this one. So to uninstall, just click this one, then click uninstall, then uninstall. So if this will prompt you, just click yes, then click yes, then yes. So wait for it. So as you see, it has been removed to the system. So next one, the producer. Click and click uninstall. Just click and wait for it to finish uninstalling the software. So it says here, Autodesk ProShow producer was successfully removed from your computer. So it's just click yes. So that is the easiest way on how you are going to uninstall programs or files in your laptop or computer. So remember the process guys. First is go to this PC. For the shortcut, click computer at the top left and click uninstall or change program, and it will proceed to the window where you can find the installed softwares and programs in your computer, and look for the name of the program or software that you want to uninstall. And after you look for it, just click it and click uninstall. So that is the easiest way on how to uninstall programs or software in your computer. Thank you for watching guys. God bless and goodbye.
Be strong.